Hello. This is what we did on Friday. I'm sorry the video is a little bit late. We corrected this. Van corregir aquest exercici. So, my mother's sister is my aunt. La hermana de mi madre, mi tía. My mother's sister is my aunt. My daughter's brother is my son. My father's daughter is my sister. My mom and dad are my parents. My sister's son is my nephew. My aunt's son or daughter is my cousin. My father's brother is my uncle. My mother's father is my grandfather or grandpa, or granddad. My daughter's son is my grandson. My brother's daughter is my granddaughter. If you are a male parent, you're a father. If you're a female parent, you're a mother. If one of your children is a boy, he is your son. If one of your children is a girl, she is your daughter. When a couple gets married, the man is the husband, the woman is his wife. A brother and a sister have the same parents. One collective word to describe brothers and sisters is siblings. My children's children are my grandchildren. My children's son is my grandson. My children's daughter is my granddaughter. My grandfather or grandmother's father is my great-grandfather. My husband's father is my father-in-law. My wife's mother is my mother-in-law. My sister's husband is my brother-in-law. My brother's wife is my sister-in-law. My daughter's husband is my son-in-law, and my son's wife is my daughter-in-law. Remember, brother's daughter means la hija de mi hermano, el hijo de mi hermana, el padre de mi madre. Vàrem veure això. Pen pal, a person living so far, keeping up with you by changing letters. Un amigo por carta, por correspondencia, un amic per carta. Best friend, millor amic, mejor amigo. Acquaintance, acquaintance, conocido, un conegut. Colleague, compañero de trabajo, only work, ¿ya? Only compañero de trabajo, no de clase. Classmate, compañero de clase. A family friend, a friend has a good relationship with family, un amigo de la familia, ¿ya? A flatmate, compañero de piso, ¿ya? Compañero de piso. This is UK. Y en América es roommate. Frenemy is someone who pretends to be your friend, but is actually your enemy. Alguien que finge ser tu amigo, pero es tu enemigo. ¿Yeah? Aquí, to make friends, hacer amigos, fer amics, keep in contact with someone, mantenir contacte amb algú, mantener el contacte con alguien, lose touch with someone, perder el contacte con alguien, perdre el contacte amb algú, hang out with friends, estar amb amics, passar estona amb amics, passar el rato con amigos. To fall out with friends, argue with friends, means enfadarse con los amigos, pelearse, discutir, argue, discutir. To trust a friend, confiar en un amigo, confiar en un amic. Stand up for a friend, apoyar a un amigo, defender a un amigo, defensar. To have a good time with, have fun, pasárselo bien con, pasárselo bé amb, pasárselo bé. Like being with, enjoy being with, t'agrada estar amb qualcú o disfrutas estar amb qualcú, te gusta estar con alguien, disfrutas estar con alguien. Spend a lot of time with, pasar molt de temps amb algú, pasar mucho tiempo con alguien. Easy to get on with, es fàcil dur-se bé, fàcil llevar-se bien con alguien, no hay problemas. Make friends, ja ho hem dit. Fall in love with, enamorarse, fall in love with. And break up and split up, finish a relationship, romper una relación, break up or split up. And here, aquí, per expressar que algo mos agrada, que no mos agrada, etc., utilitzam els verbs tipo love, m'encanta, I like, m'agrada, I don't mind, no m'importa, I dislike, no m'agrada, i I hate, ho odio. Aquests verbs estan en present simple, veus? Però que es veuen preferència en present simple. I els verbs que van darrere amb ing. I like listening to music. I like walking. I hate cooking. Yeah? Podem utilitzar, després d'aquests verbs, un verb amb ing. I like cooking, I like playing, I like dancing, I hate dancing. Podem utilitzar un substantiu. I love cheese. I hate sports, I love Mary, yeah? O un pronom, I love her. I hate him. She likes it. Per tant, aquí, les verbes d'ello en I like playing tennis, he likes studying English, we like reading. I també podem dir dues coses. No m'agrada, prefereix, o m'agrada, yeah? I don't like French, I prefer English. She doesn't like coffee, she prefers milk. Peter doesn't like football, he prefers tennis. Recordeu que com que aquests verbs estan en present simple, si és she, seria she loves o she likes, no? She likes. I en negatiu, doncs doesn't like, doesn't hate, doesn't love, doesn't, yeah? Doesn't like, don't like, or doesn't or don't. Don't like, doesn't like, don't like, don't like. I vam fer aquesta. Do you like swimming? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does your brother or sister like swimming? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Do you like swimming? Yes, I do. For example, do you like going to a cafe? Yes, I do. Do you like playing with a pet? Yes, I do. Fem do you like perquè aquest verb està en present simple, d'acord? I contestam així en present simple. Yes, I do or no, I don't. Do you like playing football? No, I don't. Do you like studying English? Yes, I do. Do you like reading comics? Yes, I do. Do you like listening to music? Yes, I do. Do you like doing homework? No, I don't. Do you like singing? Yes, I do. Do you like computer games? Yes, I do. Do you like living in a big city? Yes, I do. Do you like going to the zoo? No, I don't. Do you like studying? No, I don't. Do you like buying clothes? Yes and no. I don't know. Do you like going to the cinema? Yes, I do. And then your brother or sister. So does he or she like going shopping? Does, for example, does your brother like going shopping? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like cleaning the bedroom? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like visiting a museum? Yes, he does. Does your brother like fishing? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like eating at a restaurant? Yes, he does. Does your brother like going to the cinema? Yes, he does. Does your brother like having a picnic? Yes, he does. Does your brother like running? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like talking on the phone? Yes, he does. Does your brother like meeting friends? Yes, he does. Does your brother like cooking? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like dancing? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like playing handball? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like getting up early? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like going on holidays? Yes, he does. Does your brother like having parties? Yes, he does. Does your brother like playing tennis? Yes, he does. Does your brother like going to the park? Yes, he does. Does your brother like listening to the radio? Yes, he does. Does your brother like reading the newspaper? Yes, he does. Does your brother like going to the beach? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like watching the news? No, he doesn't. Does your brother like riding a bicycle? I don't know. Yes, he does. Does your brother like skating? No, he doesn't. And does your brother like making my bed? He doesn't make my bed. Okay, that's all. Solo acabarem fer. See you tomorrow. Bye.